Hey there, Steve. So that's the Saharan dust is still lingering over the Sunshine State, and there's another plume of Saharan dust moving over the Atlantic. We'll take a look at that in a few seconds, but we got to start off with the temperatures. Why? Because the heat is on yet again. Temperatures right now heating up to 88 degrees in Miami, in Kendall, Homestead at 87, up in Broward, also in the mid 80s in a few spots. Pompano Beach in at 83, but it doesn't matter because you know what? It all feels just about the same. It feels like the upper 90s already so early this morning. So I know you want to get that run in, that walk in early in the day. It's still hot out there. So drink plenty of water. Of course, if you're going to work out, it's best to do it early in the day rather than in the middle of the day, because by midday today, feels like temperatures will definitely soar into the triple digits. Now, there is a nice breeze, especially right now in Miami-Dade, out of the east at 12 miles per hour. That wind speed is increasing today. We could have wind gusts as high as 20 miles per hour. Now, if you're in the shade outside and you feel that breeze, it might feel not so hot. It might add a little bit of relief because that's all we can get. And of course, drinking ice cold water, but the rain, that's not going to bring any relief to the heat. We don't expect much rain. There is, however, some activity, small showers popping up over the Gulf side of the Keys and down south over the Straits of Florida. But here's a look at this forecast model. Notice most of the activity lies over the Straits, over the Keys, but it's isolated. Now, this is by Sunday, 8 a.m. Not much happening for the rest of South Florida, though, so we're actually keeping the rain chance at a minimum throughout this weekend. It's all thanks to that Saharan dust. Here on this infrared satellite, you see the cloud cover wrapping around the southeast, but look closely at that hazy cloud. That's the Saharan dust. It also covers the deep south as well. It has degraded the air quality, so of course people with respiratory issues have to keep that in mind. Maybe it's just best not to go outside, especially with the heat as well. Here's that other plume, another plume of Saharan dust moving through the Caribbean. The good news with these plumes of Saharan dust, it keeps the tropics quiet. For us, that Saharan dust is lingering through the weekend, even early next week, and then by midweek, that's when the pattern changes and our rain chances start to go up. But before then, we are expecting hot temperatures. The record high for today is 96. Today's high, 94.